Hello, my name is Juan Lugo, and welcome to Memorial High School Technology Committee Screencast on how to convert iPhone videos for usage in your Google Classroom. First thing we want to do is we want to find our photos, then select our video. Once we do that, I want to come to the bottom of the screen and send our video. I scroll away towards my drive. If not, I will use more if I cannot find it. Select my account. Rename my document. Select my folder. I will choose my drive. See how it's in my drive because I chose my drive. Click upload in the top, wait it to upload, and now we're good. So now we're here in our recents folder in our Google Drive, and we see that I have my Bullying Devin project. I click on it to see if I can view. As you can see, it's giving me the same message. We're processing this video. Please check back later. We're going to connect more apps. Come down here, we're going to connect more apps, and we're going to search for something called Cloud Convert. This is how the app looks like, the extension to this app, to this website. It's an extension. So since it's not added to our hub of connected apps up here, what we're going to do is we're going to put this in our URL Omnibox, and we're going to search for it. So we're going to search up here, and it's going to take us to this website. And now we're going to look for the file that we want to use. So we're going to look for Google file, right, in Google Drive. I'm going to type up what we want. Choose our project. Press select. Wait for it to load. Now we come here. We want to make sure that we're going to scroll down and video. And in video, we want to do MP4. Here, up here, we want to do the same thing, but since our video is move, it's a move video because it's done in iPhone, we'll have to put that. Now we press convert. We have our move and our MP4. Press convert and we wait. You can see here now it's waiting, it's beginning to load. It'll just take a moment. Here we have our download. If we just go back to our Google Drive, we see that right here we have a new one at 414. Once again, now we're in here and you see that we have an MP4. It's converted from a .move. We're able to see the video the way we want it. Just make sure that once you do this process, it's going to take a little while, maybe 5 to 10 minutes for it to process the video. Initially, it's not going to open up, but just be patient. It shouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. Once you've added Cloud Convert, now with our open with here, up here, as you see, I have my Cloud Convert, which I could use whenever I want to convert anything. Once again, my name is Juan Lugo. Thank you for watching Memorial High School Screencast on how to convert an iPhone video for usage on Google Classroom. Thank you and have a great day. All because of what someone said.